Everyone, welcome back to another awesome video, and today I'm going to show you guys how we make Jamaican ginger beer. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. You can see I have my ginger right there, and I have my lemon, and of course you need water, so I have a bottle of water right here. I'm cutting up my ginger in small pieces. I'm not going to use all this ginger because I don't want it to be too ashy that you can't drink it. When my ginger is cut, I'm gonna add it to my blender. I'm gonna add a portion to my blender. So I'll pour some water in, so I'm gonna blend it right now. So I'm gonna pour it out inside this bowl. I'm gonna do the next set. So now guys, I'm gonna strain it. So I have my bowl here and I have my strainer, so I'm gonna strain it off inside this. So I'm squeezing all the pulp to get all the juice from it. I'm gonna squeeze my lemon. I have a lemon thing for the juice the lemon, but I can't find it right now, so I'm using my hand. I think my hand is strong enough. So now I'm gonna add half cup of sugar, granulated sugar. So guys, now that my ginger beer is ready, I'm gonna put some ice in my glass, and I'm gonna pour some for you guys. So I'm gonna pour it in my glass. Voila, look at that guys. So that's the finished product of my ginger beer, my first time making ginger beer, and I think I did pretty well. So guys, what do you think about my beautiful ginger beer? Tell me what you think. Comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you know each time a girl upload a video. Comment down below, tell me what you think about this video, and please hit me up on Instagram at kiissikitchen. So bye until next time guys. See you. Bye.